Hi children, today we are going to start our new chapter which is going to be a chapter 5, multiples and factors. So under this multiples and factor, in this video we are going to see exercise 1 and 2. So with the topic of multiples and properties of multiples. So first we will see what is multiple. So a multiple of a number is formed by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it keeps on continuing like till 100, 1000, 2000 and even for the uncountable numbers of multiples you can find. That is why I have written dots here. So it will never end. Okay, we can find uncountable multiples for any number. Okay, and then now I am going to show you how to find the multiple of a number. So for this number I am taking an example number of 2. Okay, so 2 into 1, that is I told you to find the multiple of a number you have to multiply with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it keeps on continuous. So for the number example I have to 2. So this 2 has to be multiplied with 1, that is 2 into 1 gives 2. 2 into 2 gives 4, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. And like this we can able to continuously find the n number of multiples for the number 2. Okay, so and that is why I have written we can find uncountable or infinite number of multiples. So this is what multiple is. So now we will just move to the topic properties of multiples. Okay, so the first multiple of property is a number is a multiple of itself. That is example, if you take 8 into 1 is equal to 8. A number is a multiple of itself. A number is a multiple of itself. If you see, the number of the multiple, the number and the multiple are equal. That is what this property says. You can even take some more example also. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. Same. 18 into 1 is equal to 18. Okay. So next property is every number is a multiple of 1. Okay. Every number, if you take any number, will be a multiple of 1. So that is what the second property. And then third property, a multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So here this third property says two informations. Okay, so a multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So I will just show you where you will get equal number, where you will get greater number. Okay, so here if you see, the multiple is equal, the multiple is equal when multiplied by 1. Okay, so I told you no, there is two information. When you will get equal means when you multiply a number with 1, you will get the equal. Okay, the multiple will be equal. That is what 12 into 1 is equal to 12. If you take any number here, any number if you take, if you multiply with the 1, you will get the equal multiple. Okay, so then when you will get the greater value, the multiple is greater than when it is multiplied by any other number except 1 or 0. That is, when you take a number and that number is multiplied with any other number except 1 or 0. If you take any number other than 1 or 0, after multiplying you will get the multiple, the answer. No, that is a multiple, right? So that multiple will be greater than the number. Okay, so if you take 12, so this 12, if I have multiplied other than 1 or 0, I will get the multiple which is greater than the number. So if you see 12 into 2 gives 24. So here if you see 12 into 1, if I multiply with 1, you will get the same value 12. If I multiply with 0, what you will get? 12 into 0, any number which is multiplied with 0, you will get the 0. Right? Then your multiple will not be greater than. So if you see, take example of number 5. So 5 into 2 gives 10. If you see this number and the multiple will be greater than the number. Understood? So that is what this third property says. A multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So now we will move on to the fourth property. A number as an uncountable number of multiples. A number has an uncountable number of multiples. This is what I told you when I taught you it is what is multiple and how we can find the multiples. No, so there I told you, no, this one. There I told you, no, we can able to find n number of multiples for any number. So that information only is being given in this property. So there is no largest multiple of a number. So there is no particular largest number when you find the multiples. I told you, you can find infinite or uncountable number of multiples for any number. So there is no largest particular multiple for any number. So that is what this fourth property says. And if you see, the smallest multiple of any number is 1. If you take any number and if you just multiple, no, the smallest multiple will be 1. That is, when you start multiplying with any number, you will start with 1. That is what this smallest multiple. The smallest multiple of a number is 1. The greatest will not be mentioned. I told you n number of times you can find the multiples. So these are the four main properties which we are going to see in this chapter. Hope you have understood. So thank you, children.